Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today we're going to be looking at a monthly update on My Legion Secret. Guys, I'm excited. Every single month I come out with a new video to share with you My Legion Secret, my entire affiliate marketing strategy. But this is a dual purpose video. One is because a lot of people come back to this channel to get an idea of how my journey has been going with My Legion Secret. I've been using this traffic source for the last 2.5 years almost, and it has been a phenomenal traffic source for me personally. So I love to share my journey. I love to document it on this channel, and most of you guys are subscribed, but if you haven't yet subscribed just because of this purpose, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. But the second purpose that many of you guys come to the channel is to figure out whether this is a traffic source that you can use for your business or not. So we're going to cover what My Legion Secret is, whether it makes sense for you, and how you can implement it in your business as a whole. The third thing that I want to share with you is my results for the month of August. That is the primary source of why I'm creating this video, is to share with you my results. So we're also going to cover that. And I'm just going to say this upfront right now because I don't want to repeat myself later. My Legion Secret works for me. I have results. My results are not typical. I do put in the work and the effort. Every traffic source, guys, is worth investigating. However, you have to be a marketer. You have to apply the skill sets of affiliate marketing to get the best results with any traffic source, regardless of My Legion Secret, Facebook ads, whatever it is. So I'm saying this as it is. Just having the traffic source is not going to give you results. Copy pasting stuff is not going to give you results. You have to put in the work and the effort, which is in this scenario with My Legion Secret is email marketing to get the best results. So let's go ahead and share with you my affiliate marketing strategy so you see, and then you can decide if you want to get started with it or not. All right, guys, so you can see on my screen right now, I have step 1 and step 2. It's a very simple strategy. I've been following this boring, slow strategy for the last 2.5 years. And it's working really well for me. It's a constant fund for myself. I've earned over $10,000 with this strategy. Yes, that is correct. I said that correctly. And if you want to follow the same way, I have an entire course that shares with you my journey, the exact step-by-step details of how I do it. But in a nutshell, it's step 1. I leverage My Legion Secret to send out emails every 24 hours to an offer using networks like Warrior Plus for affiliate marketing or ClickBank for affiliate marketing. And then also other offers, individual offers or ecosystems on their own. Okay, but it has to be in the make money online niche or in the wealth niche. Why? Because My Legion Secret is offer or is a traffic source, and I will say this again, but it's a traffic source that gives you email leads from tier 1 countries that are co-registration leads and are looking for make money online offers. They're not looking for health offers. They're not looking for other offers. So this strategy works with specifically the wealth niche. They send it to those offers. They earn me commissions. The whole purpose of step 1 is to earn commissions. I get those commissions at this stage. Right now, at the time of when I'm shooting this video, I'm earning about $300 to $500 every single month just on step 1. And then I use those $300 to $500 every single month to then purchase higher quality advertising and build my email list. Okay, that is specifically how I do this. Build my email list. How? I have my own funnel, or I have other done for you systems that I send traffic to. So those are the 2 ways. But the fund, remember, I have really not spent money. I was advertising money from my pocket, guys. I've spent over $9,000 all from using step 1, and it has funded. And that's money that I did not have. So step 1 funded those $9,000 worth of traffic that I purchased for step 2. I hope this is clear. Again, those are my results. I cannot guarantee you those results. But that being said, let's jump onto My Legion Secret, because I also earn as an affiliate from My Legion Secret. I'm going to share with you how I earn as an affiliate using this entire system, and we're going to go over my results. But I hope this is clear. Now, guys, I've already spoken about My Legion Secret, but I'll share with you again. You get 100 leads every single day. Pay the amount that it costs you, about $30 every single month to maintain, and $30 the first month to get started. So you basically spend $60 to get started, and then $30 every single month after that. Okay, that's how much it costs you. And for that, you're going to get 100 email leads every day. It's not going to guarantee you sales. I hope this is clear. It is not going to guarantee you sales. Us as marketers, we have to apply skill sets of affiliate marketing, which means writing quality emails, connecting with your audience, making sure that there's congruency between the sales page and your email marketing, keeping it short and to the point, understanding who you're speaking to and not randomly sharing offers that don't make sense. You get my point. These are all skills at the end of the day which is copywriting skills that help you get conversions. So if you write good quality emails, you can get good conversions. That's how it's working for me. This is my Legion Secret. Let me log into my account and we will share with you my results for my Legion Secret. So guys, I have two accounts, and what I wanted to share with you, this is the first account that I wanted to share, which is this account goes straight to ClickBank products. So I have two. You can have multiple accounts with my Legion Secret. First and foremost, I have one account that I share to Warrior Plus offers, and then the other account I just use ClickBank offers. That's personally how I'm doing it with my Legion Secret and everything else. So what we're doing right now specifically is, this is the second account that I have. I'll log into my first account later, but we're going to see how many affiliates that I have, and I'm going to show you how I share those affiliates. So I have 2 affiliates basically in the second account, and we look at the commission. That basically means I earn about $5 to $10 every single month. So you can see right here in the month of August, I've got 2 commissions, which is $5. So that I'm just going to put that there. So we know that it's $10 from this account. And how do I get those commissions for that account? In my emails, I don't actively promote my Legion Secret as an affiliate product. In my emails, at the end of my email, I have my signature. And when somebody clicks on the signature, guess where they go to? They go to this page that promotes my Legion Secret. So I don't actively share my Legion Secret as an affiliate, but that happens that people do join and they stay on for a few months, sometimes, really depends. And that's how I get people to join my Legion Secret. So this account has 2 affiliates, which is quite cool. And I do want to say one more thing. Each of these accounts have different purposes. So one account, as I said, goes to Warrior Plus offers. This account right here goes to ClickBank offers, and at the end of the offer, I have, as you can see right here, a PS link that shares usually a $7 other affiliate marketing offer product. Okay, so simply put, it's ClickBank, and here's an affiliate marketing offer. This is the way I'm testing what other affiliate offers work. I'm just testing, and usually I try to keep it as a low ticket because first and foremost, I don't have the space to market it properly. So I need to do everything in one sentence. So I want people to click on it. That's the main aim. If I have one sentence to give all the information, I want people to click on it. And the basic information is that I'm using a $7 affiliate marketing product. So it's either or. Now I'll share with you guys what those results are for those products a little later, but I wanted to say it now so that you understand that I do send it, my Legion Secret, also to $7 offers. Now we will log into my second account, my first account actually. This is my second account. We'll log into my first account and we will see more of what my results are on that first account. All right, guys, here I am in my account and we'll do the same thing. We'll go to affiliates. I just want to show you guys. This is the one that I've had for two and a half years. I actually lost an affiliate right now. Oh, at the time of I looked at it this morning, I had 8 affiliates. Now I have 7. So I kind of just lost 1 affiliate, but that's all right. It's not a problem. We're going to see how much, but I don't have too many affiliates, as you can see, but it's good to keep it in loop. As I said, I don't actively promote it. That's not my purpose, but it's good to see this. Now we'll just look at the commissions. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the commissions. It's 5, 10, 8. So that's 18, another 10, 28, and then we have another 10, which is $38 for the month of August. So we add 38 there, which means it gives just MLGS. So my Legion Secret is giving you $48 totally. Now what I'll do is I'll log into Warrior Plus and we'll check out how much I made in Warrior Plus. Okay. Now, if I log into Warrior Plus here right now, we'll go to dashboard and I can see my video lagging, guys. So I apologize for it right now. So I might keep it on this page for a second before and speak and share with you some more information. But you can see the last month I made $237.52 in commissions on Warrior Plus. This is purely coming from my Legion Secret, but I'll share with you to show you guys the transparency that it is, because I have tracking codes for all of it. But I made about $237. Now usually this is closer to $300. I hope it will be in the future, but right now this month is a little bit lower performance. Not the best performance, but not the worst performance as well. And in this last month, you can see it's on the 1st to the 31st of August, and we'll add here the MLGS code, which is my tracking code that I use, and you can see that's the amount that I've earned just from my Legion Secret. What I'm doing, the strategy that I'm using kind of for the promotion of these offers, I use one specific vendor, which I own these offers as well. And I love these products. So this is why I share it. I own these products and this is why I share it also. I basically switched between 2 of the products that I have. Both range between $27 and maximum $27 for each of those products. Okay, maximum. I think it's between 19 and 27 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how much super affiliate you costs. No, actually 25. So between 25 and $27 is what the offers are, the initial offers. And 2 weeks one offer, 2 weeks after that the second other offer. Okay, so that's how I split it up. 2 offers a month, not more than that, because I tried 1 offer a week. It worked well the first month, and then it worked really badly. So I ignored it now. I just use 2 offers a month. It's pretty sane for me to do that in terms of also the workload that I'm putting. I finished this entire process, by the way, every single morning, half an hour, it's done. Okay, it's very easy, very quick, very efficient for me to work at. So we have that amount, which is $237.52 from Warrior Plus. Now we'll go to ClickBank. All right, guys. So as you can see, I am in ClickBank. We'll just briefly go to the month of August, and we want to see how much we've earned. $172.79 in commissions. We'll add that there. And I want to give you some important information with regards to specifically ClickBank. So we'll go to reporting. I'm pretty sure it'll show you the last month. Yeah. This is going to be interesting. So you can see I earned $172. Now this month of August, what I used to promote, basically the offer that I used was live chat jobs, which is social reps, as you can see right here, social rep. And this is a service-based offer, and it is basically live chat jobs that they're earning. It doesn't always convert the best. I'm going to say this very openly. It doesn't always convert the best, but what I've noticed with it, this is my personal experience, is that it gets a lot of recurring commissions for a long time. So you can see that I made 2 initial sales from it. I'm going to show you guys that here. If I scroll down and just scroll to the side, 2 initial sales, just 2. But I made 7 rebuilds, 2 initial sales and 7 rebuilds from just that one offer. So I made more recurring payments coming in this month than actually new sales that came in. And if I didn't have this rebuilds, my amount that I've earned would be way less than what you see right here. So I'm really actually happy that it's got me just that one product. With the rebuilds, it's got $139.90. And the other product that happened to get sales this month was a product that I was promoting last month. Got me around $32 in sales. But it's really interesting to see that 7 rebuilds came just from that. Okay, so that's one thing. You can find it in the affiliate marketplace if you go, and it should be in e-business and e-marketing right here, and it is the first offer that's available. Loved this journey with ClickBank. I'm learning a lot from this journey with ClickBank because there are some months that work well. This new month of September, I will be promoting WirexApp reviews. That's just my recommendation for the next month. And I change my offer once a month, and I rotate between 3 of the offers. So live chat jobs, social paid, and WirexApp reviews are the ones that I promote, and once a month. So every quarter, at least once, one of these products are promoted every single quarter. And this keeps the ball rolling. And I see also good conversions related to this. I'm hoping to get a little bit better, but it's also giving me proof that the logic, the marketing logic that I'm using to promote makes sense. So how do I do it? I write about these service-based offers, and then as I showed you guys in the PS of the email, I put a actual other affiliate marketing offer. Now we'll go and check out those affiliate marketing offers. So one of the affiliate marketing offers that I do share is called Lead Lightning. And in Lead Lightning, if I go to account here and I go to money, you'll see that in this last month I made 1 commission. So we'll add that $6 commission. It's a $7 product and I get $6 commission. So Lead Lightning is something that does convert. I've tried it, it converts. But there's one other thing that I believe converts much better, which is the OLSP system. Now let me show you guys what I mean by it converts. I specifically share if you go to Affiliate Center right here in the OLSP system. If you don't have it, then you can go and get it. You can find a link in the description of this video to it. And I share either the side hustle or the business opportunity funnel, these 2 funnels, directly to my Legion Secret. This is what I'm personally doing. We'll go to commissions and see how much I made for the last month. All right, guys. So what I wanted to share with you maybe here is a couple of things. I think I'll need to make it a bit more smaller. All right, guys. So here I am, and these are my commissions, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to talk to you about it. But basically the MegaLink Tier 1 sales is what I've earned in commissions. Now, I am a team builder within the OLSP system, which means that I don't get $7 commissions for a $7 product. I actually make $14 commissions for a $7 product. How? Well, you need to be a team builder to get that benefit. So that's the first thing. I upgraded to a team builder in the month of April, and this is the benefit that I made. But we'll see. We will not consider tier 2 because tier 1 is only the sales that I made, and we will definitely look at the month of August. So this is the month of August. This is my tier. This is not counted, so we count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sales of 14. So 14 into 7 is 98, I believe. 98. So we add that 98 also to this whole total. Okay, so we add plus 98, which means a total of $562 in commissions. Now I do have some expenditures, right? I have 2 My Legion Secret account. This entire process cost me those 2 accounts. That's the monthly recurring income. So we minus $60 from this entire amount, and we have a total of $500 in commissions for the last month. Now, what this last month of August has taught me is that I'm definitely going to be opening a third account with My Legion Secret. You see, I start with one, guys. I start with one. I used it for 1 year. Then in September last year, I started with the second account, and it's been a year that I've been using the second account for ClickBank. And now the third year, I'm going to be starting a new account, and I would like to use it basically for other offers. So this is going to be a test account for me. Testing of software offers related to helping you make money online, testing to coaching programs, not such high ticket ones. And then I will tell you guys what works basically. So if you think about it, 2 networks and then products. That's how I look at it. 2 networks and products. I know that this strategy of dividing each account per what you want is not the best one for everybody, but for me, it just makes things really clear. I don't need to change my messaging so much because I can talk about there are 2 accounts, and both the accounts has the last account that I'm using is going to be just for testing affiliate marketing products. Then I can write the same emails for both of these actually, but test with different products and see what converts. So it might not need more effort, but it can be that I'm tripling my effort right now. Well, the good thing is that with this entire process, with the Affiliate Marketing Essentials strategy in the course, I share with you how I leverage AI prompts to make my life way simpler, and I get a lot done. That's it. A lot done with a better quality. Doesn't mean I copy paste AI based emails. No. I do not copy AI email marketing based emails to my Legion Secret list. No, I edit them. I format them. I show you. I guide you guys through this entire process within my course. But that's the information. Hopefully you guys got value from this. You learned something today. You saw my results, but also you decide to take action. So in the description of this video, there's going to be a link to the Affiliate Marketing Essentials course in case you're interested in learning how I apply the strategy, both step 1 and step 2. Then in the description, I will also leave a playlist which has my past performance as well as training on My Legion Secret. So if you guys want to see more videos about it, that's again free. And then lastly, in the pinned comments, I will leave a link to My Legion Secret in case you guys are interested. Whoever is interested to get started with My Legion Secret. If you guys already have it, then put in the information, go through the training, and apply the knowledge. See how you can get these conversions. I believe each and every account can get a minimum of $200 to $300 in your pocket. So it's really up to you what you can. This is based on my personal experience is what I'm sharing. That is all. Okay. Again, I cannot guarantee you the same results, but I wish you the best of luck. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday for another video.